Hello guys, this is my first Profirm account that I have passed. I got this from a giveaway. So you see this is my name and the account that I have taken. So they have given me $10,000 giveaway account which is for 30 days and it is a two-phase challenge account. Phase 1 and phase 2. On phase 1 I have to make around 10% profit, and on phase 2 I have to make 5% profit, and on phase 3, which is funded, I have to make some profit and I have to withdraw the profits. So right now I have finished the phase 1. You see, on $10,000 account I made 1,003, and we will go back to history. Okay, it's not like I have won all the trades. It's like there are some trades that I have lost, some trades that I managed to get out before getting lost. So I'm going to take out the history. It's been like from last month, that's what. Now you see profit I made there is $1,056. Okay, so this is my trade account. You see the profits you are seeing here. Here I've already made some $50 loss. There I made 36, 31 loss, again 53 loss, 32 loss, and there are profits too. You see, so I have managed so many trades. I made profits, I made loss, again I have made profits. So like that I managed. Okay, so in this way I have passed this 10% of phase 1. Currently I am waiting for them to review this. I am waiting for them to give me any email and give me the phase 2 challenge. On the phase 2 challenge, it is about reaching 5% profit on a $10,000 account. So we don't know how many days it will take. They have given me 30 days time and already finished within 5 days. Okay, well, this time the market was really good. This week market was really good. As of February I say 2nd to this February 5th or maybe 6th. Okay, the market was good. I wonder what's the time, what's the day today. Yeah, it's February 5th. Okay, and you must be thinking like, when I have won in 5 days, why is it February 5th? Like, if I've started trading in 2nd February 2026, then it is like 4 days, right? Yes, last month I have traded for a day and I made around $125 profit on that single day. The market was really good. But the thing is that they have some problem with their updating system. The dashboard is not updating yet. Currently the dashboard isn't yet updating, but I'm just waiting for them to settle things. So I'm just trying to record this because I want to keep the records of my trading, because I want to keep my records. I want to look at my trading journey. So I'm posting this just to keep the records. This is not for any sort of like show off or like any sort of a proposal. It is nothing. It's just simply just showing the performance and how trading is done. But I'm not sharing any strategies, right? But I'm just only sharing my results. Some people call this as reports and stuff. Okay, so see, there are so many trades, and you see that I have only used XAU USD, but it's a very risky one. Okay, I was completely like keeping an eye on my trading. I'm not leaving my MT5. Okay, I'm keeping a close watch, because hitting take profits is possible. But even though sometimes market does not hit the take profit, it comes close to the take profits and then it just returns to the opposite direction. So I'm so much scared about that. That's why I keep an eye on my trades. Sometimes I see, but not in this platform, but in my past experiences in some other platforms, I have seen that the market came to the price, to the take profit, even lower than the take profit or even higher than the take profit, but it didn't hit the take profit, it didn't close, and then the market just went in the opposite direction. So ever since then I have been having this sort of experience that I have to keep a watch on my trades. When I see my trades in profit, when I see that it is very good enough to close a trade, I will definitely close it. This is happening because of my past experiences. Every trader learns strategies. Every trader learns strategies. Every trader wants to know techniques. But I want to tell you one thing, that learning strategies, techniques is not going to be enough for you or me, because learning this is not enough. You have to trade, you have to analyze every single day. That is going to create an experience, that is going to give you knowledge, that is going to make you know where and how everything works out, what strategies you have to apply. Sometimes you may be making your own strategies, depends on the assets that you trade, right? So based on that, trading happens. If everybody thinks that if I learn from somewhere and I will already be a profitable trader, then that is just foolishness, because it never worked out like that. In my case, I have learned so many strategies, but nobody can beat the experience and the skills of the professional traders. Like, you can buy the strategies from any person around this world, but you can never be able to buy their experience, their skills, their memory of the markets that they have traded. It's you who has to make those memories with your trades, with your experience, and with your journey, without giving up, without having fears. Everything is about planning, everything is about strategy, everything is about taking care of your trades, everything is about not being lazy, but being focused, but being disciplined, and all of that. To me, this journey has taken like almost 4 months to make it right. I have signed up for so many competitions. The competitions that I sign up for is just to learn. It's just to see how I can make profits, how better it feels. But if you just simply do trading in a normal demo account without really getting any sort of result from anywhere, you wouldn't be very focused in it. You wouldn't be much serious. And since when I took this competition account, I mean, this is not the current one, is not a competition account, it's a challenge one, but before the competitions that I took place, it made me serious. Even though it's demo, it felt serious, because if I make good returns, I would get a challenge account. So this has improved my trading skills. But the thing is that this really helps your mind to control your losses, to control your over trading, to keep you under control. I really like all the rules of prop firms. They keep you in a way that your mind get habited to, keeping the risks under control without over trading and without really, being like very indisciplined and just doing whatever. It gives you the motivation to trade in the right way. So that's what I like the most about this. So currently I'm at 10%. We gotta see when they're gonna review and when they're gonna give me the phase 2. I know they're going to have a lot of technical issues, and I hope they get solved. And the phase 2, as it's 5% only, but still we have to trade carefully. It's not like I have to be completely confident just because I passed the phase 1. I have to do the phase 2 trading just as seriously I have done the phase 1, and I have to pass that out as well. Gotta see how everything works, gotta see how everything just fixes. We gotta do but not give up. So yeah, so these are the results, guys. And I've done so many patterns. I'm trying to currently trade like some traders, how they do wedges trading, something that is very new to me, and I'm trying to figure things out how that pattern works. But mostly in my trading, I have used price action, and also I have closed many of my trades manually and never let it like use so much of take profits. But I have closed my trades manually because I'm monitoring the markets. I'm not really being ignorant or doing something else, because when you're doing trading that where the prices move so fast, you have to keep an eye, you have to be over there, you have to watch how it is going on, and you have to make decisions right there. So that's why. So yeah, this is how it works.